Hello students, this is Professor Surekha Pundlik Patore. Today we are going to have a brief introduction on history of novel from English Yuvak Bharati, section 4.1, history of novel. So by the word only you must have understood that we are going to have some information about novel, its origin, authors, elements of novel and types of novel. So let us start. We will go one by one towards each paragraph of our lesson. Now in the first paragraph, the 18th century has gifted English literature two new forms. The first one is periodical essay and the other one is novel. So people liked the novel from the very beginning of its origin. And today also it is known as the main literary genre. Genre means a style, a form, a way, a kind of literature. Now, let us go towards the second paragraph. Here it has given the definition of a novel, that a novel is a relatively long narrative fiction which describes intimate human experiences, normally in a prose form, which means that novel is a long story, imaginative story, which describes about the people, their relationship, life, emotions, etc., which is expressed in a very natural and smooth flow of speech, that is in a prose form. Now coming to the next paragraph, here it has given that novel has a history of about 2000 years ago. So in olden times, some wanderers, they used to wander and they used to sing a song. The song was in a form of a story. So these stories were connected with that particular place, nature and behavior of the people. And gradually it was being circulated to various regions of the country. And the same story were being connected with that particular place and culture of the people. Now in medieval period of 18th century, after coming the printing press, the stories took the form of a novel, in a form of a book. The book having a long story. So the novel has a history of about 2000 years, but actually from 2nd to 6th century, the imaginative stories were based on the hatred, enemy of people, love, battle, relationship of the people and even fantasy also. But after 1000 years, after coming printing press, different kind of stories, various kinds of stories in the novels took place, which was focused in Virgil's Eclogues and Geoffrey Chaucer's Canterbury Tales. Now in that, Murasaki Shikibu is a author, name of the author, and this author has written Tale of Genji, which has been described the world's first novel. So after printing the novel in 18th century, the newspaper and magazines also attracted large number of readers, and now upper class readers and lower class readers developed their own choice. Now upper class readers, they liked to read the stories based on imagination, fantasy, romanticism. But the middle class readers, they showed their interest in reading books based on realism instead of imagination and passion, excitement and curiosity. And from here, new features were added in the novel. Now in the novel, the problem of a common man has been focused. The political issues were being focused through novels, and in this way new reading material has been created, and even drama and poetry, these two literary forms were also faded before novel in 18th century. Now in the 5th paragraph, you will read about the famous authors and their novels, name of the novels and the name of the authors, like the Pilgrim's Progress by John Bunyan in 1678, then Oroonoko by Ephraim, then Robinson Crusoe's Small Flanders and Jonathan Swift's Gulliver Travels. It was a famous satire. Other major novelists of 18th century were Samuel Richardson, then Pamela or Virtue Rewarded, and Clarissa. Both were epistolary novel. So these epistolary novels, satire, gothic novels, all these types of novels we are going to discuss in the next part of this lecture. So the whole fifth paragraph you can make a list and you can read about the name of the authors and name of the novels thoroughly. Now coming to the next point, that is the Indian English novel, that is Indian scenario. In that, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, he was the novelist who has written a novel. The name of that novel is Rajmohan's Wife. So actually this novel, Rajmohan's Wife, it was written in Bengali language, but afterwards Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, he has written this novel in English language, and it was serialized and published in the novel. The name of that novel was The Indian Field. Now few more writers and novelists are there, those who has contributed a lot to our Indian English novel. The name of these writers are Mulk Raj Anand, R.K. Narayan, Raja Rao. So these were the major trio who prevailed in the period. After that, novelists like Anita Desai, Nayantara Sehgal, Arun Joshi, Manohar Malgaonkar, these were the writers who have contributed a lot, and they changed the current of Indian English novel through their works. Now in recent years, few novelists are Salman Rushdie, Arvind Adiga, Arundhati Roy, Kiran Desai, Kiran Nagarkar. These are the novelists who has changed the Indian tradition of English novel, and now Indian English novel has a very bright future. Now coming to the next point, the next point is novella. Now novella is a kind of story which is neither so short nor so long compared to a novel, and it is not nor so short. We cannot say that it is just like a short story. It is little bit longer from the short story. So it is a kind of story in which writer can focus on some political or social issue. This is a way through which writer can focus on some issue, and writer can hammer on indirectly on that issue humorously. That's why it is said that this is a satiristic and realistic in tone. So this is the main feature of the novella. Now some famous novellas are The Heart of Darkness by Joseph Conrad, then The Turn of Screw by Henry James, then The Billy Budd by Herman Melville, Seize the Day by Saul Bellow, Pearl by John Steinbeck. Now this is a brief description of explanation of the history of English novel. Now remaining points are elements of novel and types of novel we are going to discuss in the next slide of this lecture. Thank you.